peeks under the door and settles low on the floor. Your last look stays in the frame. I turn it down, it burns the same. Rain tracks lines on the glass, each one spelling blame. I keep my mouth shut and hear you anyway. Every small sound cuts deep, every calm caves in. I stand in this empty room and feel my edges thin. The lights stay on, but I go missing. Your name falls slow from the cracked ceiling. I call it healing, it answers with rain. The lights stay on, I don't remain. I breathe the dust of old distance. The room stays still, but I go missing. I kept your absence under my tongue. It tasted like iron for months. I learned to smile with all my teeth, so no one saw what I had become. The mirror hands me back a face that never fits quite right. Some nights I hate the one who stayed when you slipped out of sight. Now I know you did not leave in one clean cut. You left by inches, and I held the distance grow. I fed the silence till it learned my voice. Now it says your name better than I do. The lights stay on, but I go missing. Your name still falls from the cracked ceiling. I call it healing, it answers with rain. The lights stay on, I don't remain. If this is living, why am I thinning? Why does your quiet wear my outline? The lights stay on, but I go missing. Even with morning, I go missing. I talk too loud inside my head. My thoughts don't listen, they just spread. I keep replaying what I said till I forget what's real and what's pretend. Everyone says it's gonna be fine, but they don't see the war in my mind. Save me from myself, I tear me down too well. I built these walls, there's no one left to tell. Save me from myself, I'm my own worst friend. My heart's in fire, it never seems to end. I wear my guilt like second skin. I lose before I can begin. I push away what could have been and call it peace, but it's just sin. I'm not afraid of anyone else, just scared of what I do to myself. Save me from myself, I tear me down too well. I built these walls, there's no down too well. I build these walls, there's no one left to tell. Save me from myself.